So today I am reviewing this small compact tire air inflator, portable. It comes with a power bank. You can also charge it up through USB-C and a USB output, so you can charge your phone off of it with a cord. It also comes with this very long 12-volt line. So, if this ever happens to be dead, you can still power it off of your car if you need to. It has this nice LCD display, which is really nice. You can function in different modes. You can go run a car, 2.4 bar, it's pretty normal. Also, if you hit the SOS, turn a flashlight on, a little warning light, and another warning light. Let's go ahead and see how fast it'll fill up this big truck tire. So we're at 2.5 bar. I'll go ahead and turn it on, let down. Very quiet. Also has this nice carrying case. And totally, yeah, it filled it up just a little top off. Go to another 1 psi. See how long it takes. Pretty impressed so far, honestly. It's doing it. And we're at 2.55, and it did it. Very quiet as well. It has 6,000 milliamp battery, which is a good amount of power for it. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.